How to skip Instacart waitlist. I'm going to show you how you can easily skip the Instacart waitlist. When signing up to be an Instacart shopper, you provide your home zip code. If you are on the waitlist, it means there are enough shoppers in your area and more are not currently required. There could be additional zip codes in your nearby area that are not crowded, and therefore they do not have a waitlist. To bypass the Instacart waitlist, simply update your zip code. Contact Instacart customer service through the website's chat or send an email. Consider nearby zip code areas where you would be willing to shop. Share these zip codes with customer service and see which one gets approved. If customer service locates an area without a waitlist, your application can be approved in 15 to 20 minutes. Remember that this method may not always be successful, as customer service might not permit zip code changes, but it's worth attempting.